Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my video is how to calculate oxidation number of nitrogen in nitrous acid. This is formula of nitrous acid. You can see that this molecule contains three elements. First element is hydrogen. Oxidation number of hydrogen in this compound and in most of the compound is +1. But there is an exception for the oxidation number of hydrogen. Oxidation number of hydrogen in active metal hydrides such as in sodium hydride is -1. In all other compounds, oxidation number of hydrogen is +1. Second element in this molecule is nitrogen. Oxidation number of nitrogen is unknown. Third element is oxygen. Oxidation number of oxygen in this compound and in most of the compound is -2. But there are some exceptions for the oxidation number of oxygen. Here I will mention only two. First exception is peroxides. In all peroxides, the oxidation number of oxygen is -1. Another exception is the compound oxygen difluoride. In this compound, oxidation state of oxygen is +2. Now let's calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen. First write this formula of nitrous acid with space like this so that we can easily do calculations below it. Now write the oxidation number or oxidation state of each element. Oxidation number of hydrogen is +1. Oxidation number of nitrogen is unknown. We will write X here. Oxidation number of oxygen is -2. In the next step, we will consider these small numbers or subscripts that are given with the elements in the given formula. With hydrogen and nitrogen, there is no subscript, so we will copy their oxidation number as it is in the next slide. With oxygen, the subscript is 2, so we will multiply its oxidation number -2 with 2. When we will solve it, we will get +1 and X for hydrogen and nitrogen respectively and -4 for oxygen. In the next step, we will add these numbers and at the end we will write is equal to 0. We are writing here is equal to 0 because nitrous acid is a neutral molecule, and for all the neutral molecule, sum of oxidation number of its element is always equal to 0. Here molecule is nitrous acid, elements are hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen, and the sum of their oxidation number is equal to 0. So whenever you are calculating oxidation number of an element in a neutral molecule, always write is equal to 0. This is a simple mathematical equation with one unknown X. When you will calculate the value of X, answer is +3. And X is the supposed oxidation number of nitrogen. So here is the answer. Oxidation number of nitrogen in nitrous acid is +3. By following these simple steps, you can easily calculate the oxidation number of any element in a neutral molecule. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.